Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing a quick and easy recipe on lemon basil baked salmon. These are the ingredients that you will need. First, we're going to make the sauce. Start by combining the juice of a whole lemon, minced garlic, sesame oil, honey, olive oil, soy sauce and black pepper in a bowl. Spread some olive oil on the salmon to prevent them from drying out when it is baked. Then sprinkle some salt to every side of the salmon. Then place your salmon on a baking tray lined with aluminum foil and pour in the sauce over the top of the salmon. Chop some basil leaf finely and sprinkle it on top of the salmon. Lastly, add a few leaves of basil to garnish. Thank you for watching. Hope that you would subscribe for more upcoming videos.